thanks, Wendy, for giving this opportunity to talk about Walden, Aspire Systems, and what are your plans on the e-commerce side. Thanks for coming on board on this. To start with, would like to tell us a little about yourself, Walden University, and your life and the Walden Lifelong Learning Program. What is it about? How is it benefiting?
Sure. So Walden University is one of the largest online university here in the United States. We have over 50,000 degree students, and we have over 150,000 alumni. And in late 2019, as we started looking at our strategic planning for Walden University and roadmap for the next 5 years, we start seeing this trend, and not just with Walden, you can see that within the US, is this lifelong learning, upskilling, and reskilling trend. Even more so, you can see that with COVID, that trend is really here to stay as well. Your learning really doesn't stop after you get your degree. And so how is Walden able to start expanding its non-degree offerings to help our alumni to continue to engage them, engage our learning communities to become learner for life, and that become one of our key strategic pillar. And I was fortunate enough to work with Stephen Tom, our Chief Strategy and Transformation Officer, to work on this project, create this School of Lifelong Learning, and with a goal to, one, expand our Walden non-degree offerings to serve our students and also serve our business partners to help their workplace upskill. And that's really the trend you're seeing more and more in today's US higher ed market, if you will, and this ed tech market. And so it's really timely, and that's what we have been working on the past 2 years.
Awesome. So, what prompted the move to Salesforce Commerce Cloud? I mean, is there a specific business reason? What are we trying to achieve with this?
Yeah, so one thing we quickly identified in the beginning of our process is we want to enable this really user-friendly self-service checkout process for our learner, because all this learning offering type will be shorter, modularized learning, right? And so how do we provide a platform and really complement our existing platform, back office platforms as well? And we are a Salesforce shop, so we use Salesforce CRM system. And so it's a very natural alignment, if you will, that we selected Salesforce Commerce Cloud to be our e-commerce, our marketing kind of platform to start this initiative.
And once you decided you're going to purchase Salesforce Commerce Cloud, what kind of process did you go through in terms of what kind of help you need, or how do you even find a partner to work with? What was the specific process, and maybe if you can shed some light on how did you choose Aspire Systems?
Yeah, so we know when we selected the platform, we know we have to select implementation partner. We first went with a partner that was recommended by Salesforce, and we worked with them to launch our MVP, not joking, in 8 weeks. And so it was a really great team effort. But since the first initial kind of collaboration, we decided to shift directions, if you will. We know that we were looking for someone to really able to work with us and be like be part of our team, if you will, and really help our team to learn and grow in using this tool. And so we originally, we have really great collaboration with Rapid Value, as you know. And so Rapid Value has been working with our IT team, incubator team on several different projects. And so Aspire team was introduced by Rapid Value, and so it's a really great team for us to work with. And so we start kind of start interviewing your team, if you will, learning more about how Aspire's capability looks like. And so we start engaging with Aspire team in early 2020 or mid 2020, sorry. Right. And since then has been such great collaboration, I have to say. Like, your team really was really day one willing to just roll up their sleeves and work with our team. Your team member are very dedicated and really take pride in the work they do, and just has been really, really great collaboration. So I would say when we first selected the platform, we didn't know much going in. Later, what we learned is it is so important to select a implementation partner that truly can be your partner, truly
Right.
can be there with you every step of the way. And I think that's what Aspire team has done for us.
Awesome. So from a Walden University perspective, after you moved to Salesforce, what kind of benefits are you seeing in terms of your business, whether you have more subscriptions, more people joining your programs? Would you be able to share some of the outcomes of after you adopted Salesforce?
Of course. So I think before we didn't have a way for learners to self-register. You always have to call and talk to an enrollment specialist and then fill out online application and work with a specialist to get your admission submitted. With the e-commerce side, the team was able to build out 100% self-service registration process and payment process. And that enabled us to reach an audience that we probably was not able to reach before. So we have delivered double-digit growth since we have the site in 2020. And so that is something that we are very proud of. And now we're venturing into this non-credit offerings where the process needs to, just like other e-commerce e-learning platform, this enables us to compete with them, right? So to be able to have all the information at your fingertips, you don't have to talk to an enrollment specialist. You can enroll anytime you want, not limited to the phone call. So I think that just enables us to compete in the environment that we were not able to before.
Sounds good. Thanks, Wendy. Thanks for taking time. This is great insights, and hopefully we can help you achieve more better outcomes in the future by working with you. Thanks for putting your faith in Aspire.
No problem. It's really nice meeting you.